ayy. Mama gon' walk my shit, ayy. Remember start just a hypocrite. Pick up a heart like some broken bricks. Mama gon' walk my shit, ayy. Mama gon' talk my shit, ayy. Playing the game for the love of it, yeah. So this is life, got no fun in it, yeah. As it was told, mama, you reached up a goal. I know this shit's getting deep, I'm on the road. I just be leaving my show. Came in the club with some freaks, feel like a tank. She wanna join the ranks, first she can get on her knees. I'm too wavy, I'm too wavy, yeah.
Chance concealing what deep down I felt for you. Oh, I regret for.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today's hair is from Alipearl. They are on Aliexpress and they also have their own website. They sent me 3 bundles of 22 inch, 22 inch, and 20 inch 613 body wave. And these bundles came super duper thick. I didn't even use all the hair, guys. And these two 22-inch bundles, they are clearly not the same size, so I'm not going to put that past y'all, Alipearl. But like I said, I have more than enough hair, so I'm still satisfied either way. And this is a 20-inch frontal. The lace on this frontal was super thin. It's a Swiss lace, so I didn't have any problems blending it. And the hairline, I didn't have to do too much plucking. It looked real natural. They also sent me a wig cap. They sent me a little bag to put my hair in. They sent me an edge brush, and they also sent me hair care instructions. So I did construct the wig myself, and here I'm just showing you a clip of me closing the wig up. And yes, I am using black string, so as you can see, I'm making sure I get real close to the seam of the hair. So now that I'm all done constructing the wig, this is how the wig is looking so far. And as you can see, it's super thick, and I didn't use all the bundles. So here I'm about to show you how much hair I got left over from the last bundle. Now what I'm about to do is tone this ugly yellow blonde that I so dearly hate. And I'm using the Revlon 2 boxes of medium ash blonde and 2 boxes of dark ash blonde color from Revlon, and I am going to be mixing these 2 colors together to get the perfect ash blonde that I'm trying to go for. I started out just doing the top of the hair and just the roots, but here at this point of the video, I wasn't so sure of how I wanted to lay my color. So at this point, I'm just freestyling, and I'm starting off by making sure I dye all the roots of the hair. And then as you continue to watch, you see that I start working this ash blonde color down to almost the end of the hair. So yeah, just continue watching.
Chance concealing what deep down I felt for you. Oh, I regret for losing the one who loved me, for who I can't go back to. Walking through all the dust, memories and frame a past we simply let fade. Oh, but I don't close the door.
After toning the hair, I'm using the After Color conditioner that came with the box, and I'm using my all-time famous silicone mix with the argan oil in it to condition the hair. And this is how the hair is looking so far after air drying. And now we're about to hop right into coloring. So I'm using Kiss Colors, the Mahogany Red at the ends of the hair. And then up from there, I'm using Ruby Red. And then from there, I'm using the Flaming Orange color by Kiss Colors. So here I'm just showing you how I am applying the colors and placing them down. As you can see with my brush, my painting brush, I'm making sure that I brush the color onto the hair with the brush going upwards. So it's not going flat down like I'm painting a picture. I'm turning the brush vertical so that I'm not creating any blunt lines. Right here, I'm starting off with the flaming orange color, and I'm making sure I blend that baby down. You don't want any blunt lines. You want the color to evenly distribute through the hair strands. And then from there, I'm going to apply the ruby red color, and then at the tips of the hair, once again, I'll be applying the mahogany red. And guys, make sure before moving on to a new section of hair that you're cleaning your gloves and your hands off good, so that you're not putting hair on the rest of the hair where you do not want to apply color at. So now I'm basically done coloring. I'm just following up with finishing touches to the hair, and once again I'm using my brush vertically, and I'm kind of sort of working the color up higher, and I didn't want any blunt lines. I didn't want the color to go straight across the wig, so I'm kind of making it uneven so that, you know, it looks like flames almost. So yeah, this kind of reminds me of the Cheetos bag a little bit, the hot Cheetos. So here comes the fun part of this entire process, which is applying this lace front wig. So here I'm just putting foundation onto the cap so that my cap looks more like scalp. And I did put an elastic band on this wig so that the wig is more tight, customized, and more secure to my head, because I have a little pea-sized head. And yeah, I'm not going to go into detail on how I apply my lace front wigs. It's pretty self-explanatory. And also, if you want to know more of details on how I apply and each step-by-step on applying a lace front wig, you can just watch my previous videos, because I explained this process 1,000 times. So yeah, I'll make sure I link that in the description box also. And also in the description box, there is a link to this exact hair and other links to their website, as well as discount codes, so make sure you guys check that out. So I am going to speak on this hair. Recording this right now, I have been wearing this hair for about 3 weeks now, and I can say that the shedding is to a minimum. As far as the quality of the hair, if I was to rate the hair from a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being the worst, 10 being the best, I would say this is about 8. Around an 8. It wasn't the best hair that I've had, but it was pretty decent quality for the price that you pay for this hair. It is affordable. Also, I was able to style this in a wet and wavy type of look, since it did come kind of wavy, and I was able to flat iron the hair. It does take heat really, really good. So I was able to get the hair really bone straight, and it came out really silky as well. The lace of the hair, it was Swiss lace, so like I said, it was easy to blend it, and it did look more like it was coming out of your scalp. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you do like and subscribe. thumbs up this video. Please guys, thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel, also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is the same as my channel, iShina TV. Also leave comments on what you guys would like me to present you. I do have other videos coming. It's just coming really slow at the moment because life is really busy for me. So yeah, just stay tuned for those, and thank you for the subscribers who did stick around and are still supporting me through this entire process. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned for my next video, and bye guys.